Well, go on, traders. Yeah, the traders here again. All right, guys. We got some news yesterday, guys. So let me just jump right into Yahoo Finance. So if you look at Yahoo Finance, this came out at exactly 9 a.m. yesterday. So chances are I may need to start making my videos after 9 because this is right after I publish my video. So what is it saying? So Mullen Automotive and Quantu Motors, sorry for the mispronunciation, Quantu Motors to launch EV supercar branded Mullen GT and GTRS with program start commencing March 20th, 2023. So if you take a look at the car, guys, it's looking pretty sweet. So they're saying that Mullen's granted a license and exclusive distribution rights in North and South America markets for the Quanto K50 Dragonfly. I love the name also. Mullen will finalize the vehicle engineering pursuant to US standards with final assembly in Mishawaka, Indiana. So EV Supercar will be rebranded and refreshed to sell under the Mullen GT and GTRS brands with expected performance specs of 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds, guys. This is 1.95 seconds and a top speed of 200 miles per hour. So this is pretty good news for Mullen in terms of this new partnership. So as usual, I keep it real, guys. So let's kind of take a look and see what's going on with the stock. So let's see what impact it had yesterday on the stock. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so that news came out around 9 o'clock yesterday in the morning. Market opened at 9:30, and look what happened to the stock, guys. It fell. It fell from 14.11 all the way to 12.5. Come on, guys, come on. We can't get a break with the news that's coming out. I think it's a matter of how the news is presented and the timing. All right, so here we are again, guys. We're at our all-time low yesterday. The stock after market has pushed up a bit to 12.93. It's around 13 cents right now. So I hope that we are not stepping the stock even further down. Because as I said to you guys, let me zoom out a bit here. I said to you guys, once we break below the 20 and below the all-time low of 18, it's uncharted territory. So look at what's happening over the past couple of days, over the past 2 weeks. We're stepping downwards, guys. Stepping downwards. All right, so let's zoom out to the 4 hour. All right, so let's get back into Yahoo Finance and see what's happening. Otherwise, is it basically the impact of the market, or is just Mullen just can't get a break overall? So Mullen had a little bit of sell-off yesterday. I like when Mullen stays above the 300 million market cap. So now we are down to 280 million in terms of market cap. We're at 316 yesterday. I thought it would have hold, but we are down, guys. The stock fell 2% yesterday, pre-market, another 1%. So we are still overall down around 3+%. Volume that came in was high. So 287 million compared to 214 average. So volume that came in was higher than average. The overall market, however, was not bad because the TSX up around 1%, S&P about 1%, and the Dow up 1%. So overall the market was not bad, but the stock is still not getting a break. And look at this the comps. Lucid flat, Xpeng up almost 4%, Neo up 6%, Rivian flat, So, with all of these news that are now finally coming in, I think it's just a matter of bad timing in terms of the CEO. We got this news yesterday. We got a statement from David 5 days ago addressing shareholders' concerns. We got confirmation that the extension was granted with regards to the minimum bid price. We got the the unveiling of the EV commercial products at the Work Truck show. That's 2 weeks ago. RRDS had selected Mullen as the exclusive provider of the Class 1 EV cargo van. And, it's on good news after good news, but the stock is not getting a break, guys. All right, so seeing that the news isn't helping us much, let's see what's going on with the option trade. What was happening? Okay, so in terms of volume that came in, we got a bigger push yesterday. 38,000 in terms of calls. Puts almost at basically zero. So lots of calls came in yesterday, guys. So I guess at this level people are buying up calls. In terms of this week, open interest for this week, 15,000, pretty low. Next week, 14,000, and then 6,000. So these are pretty low in terms of what Mullen usually does. Let's pop over to see what's going on with the leap calls. So leap calls are still pretty much high in terms of open interest, and these calls are for the 19th of January 2024. Pretty high, 79 and 83,000, and for 2025, 96 and 35,000. So overall, guys, the stock has not moved much. The needle has not moved with the news that is coming in. The RSI is still at the oversold territory, and the MACD is looking a little bit weak. Not as bullish as it was before. A little bit weak, but at least it's not in the bearish territory as yet. Okay, so that's kind of what I have for you guys. Nothing much new to add. Thought with that news of that dragonfly would pop the stock up a bit, but it doesn't reflect in the stock. What we need to see is for the stock to actually pop up off this level or whatever level it's at, pop up to show yes, this is a definite rejection and this is where the support is going to be. But we have not seen that as yet, guys. So I don't want to say, paint a bad picture, but the reality is the stock is not doing what we want it to do. Okay, so we'll take, a look and see what happens for today. But that is kind of what I have for you for today. So as usual, if you like this type of content, give me the like button, touch that like button. And as usual, hit the subscribe if you want to get the early morning notification. Okay, take care, guys.